Hi, what's up YouTube? This is Kelly and this is actually my second video. Um, so on my last video, I taught you how to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I will basically teach you how to ask question in Filipino or in Tagalog. So, um, to ask how are you in Filipino, you need to say kamusta ka. In a much informal way, you can say, Hi, musta? So we usually use that to ask how our friends are. And for example, I happen to bump into someone, for example, an acquaintance. I will say, Uy, musta? So that's very informal. But if you want to ask it in a formal way, then just say, Kamusta ka? If you're a more polite individual, if it's not in your culture to be too comfortable with someone, so you can say kamusta ka. Okay, once again, it's kamusta ka. All right, that's how are you. And then of course, if you know how to ask a question, you should know how to answer the question, right? To answer that question, you simply have to say mabuti. Mabuti means good, or you can say okay lang. Okay lang. It means I'm just okay. Okay. What else? So, for example, you see your friend on a train, or you see your friend on a mall, or you see your friend in any public place. You won't expect to see her or to see him, and then you can say, Uy, nandito ka? It means, wow, you're here. Something like that. It is an expression of shock that you're in the same place at the same time. So again, that's, Uy, nandito ka? Nandito ka. And then after that, you will ask another question, which is probably, saan ka pupunta? Which is very common in the Philippines. Saan means where. Ka pupunta means you going. Where are you going? So, pupunta means, pupunta is the future tense of punta. Punta means go. Okay, so pupunta means will go. So, saan ka pupunta means where are you going? Okay, saan ka pupunta? Okay, once again, if you see someone in a public place or in a common place, then you'll say, Uy, nandito ka? Saan ka pupunta? I will say that very, very slowly so that you can get it. Uy, nandito ka? Saan ka pupunta? Saan? Saan? When you say that in a fast way, it will become san. Okay, especially here in Manila, you usually hear people say san instead of saan. Okay, and ka pupunta. Saan ka pupunta? Or sometimes, in a much, much informal way, you'll hear people say, Saan ka punta? Saan ka punta? There. But of course, right now, I'll be teaching you the correct way, not the slang way. Saan ka punta is a slang way. So, I will be teaching you that maybe in the next lesson. But today, let me teach you the right way, which is, Saan ka pupunta? So, if someone asks you saan ka pupunta, then just say, pupunta ako sa. And then state wherever you will go. I will give you an example. If you will ask me, Saan ka pupunta? I will answer you. Pupunta ako sa mall. Pupunta ako sa church. Pupunta ako sa hospital. Pupunta ako sa school. Pupunta ako sa office. Okay? So, pupunta ako sa. Pupunta means I will go. Ako means I. Right? Pupunta, will go. Ako, I. Usually in Tagalog, it's reverse. So, pupunta ako sa. Sa is a connector. It's a linker. So, it's linking the subject and the predicate. So, pupunta ako sa church, hospital, mall, whatever, wherever. Okay. So, that's all for today. I will be typing all the words in the description so you can get the correct spelling. And I will be giving a short review on the next video to test your understanding. So, again, thank you very much. This is Callie. I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye.